In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a restaurant menu page in Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace site editor. This is your workspace for making changes, and everything we do here will update your website once you publish. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in editing mode so you can make adjustments as you go. Next, navigate to the page where you want your restaurant menu to appear. If you already have a menu or our food page, click into it. If not, that's okay. We'll create a dedicated space in the next step. The key here is to think about where visitors naturally expect to find your menu so it's easy to locate from your site's navigation. Now, add a new section or create a new page for the menu. A section is perfect if you're adding the menu to an existing page, like your home page or a restaurant page. If you want the menu to stand alone, add a new page and choose a simple, clean layout so your content stays readable. Keep everything minimal so the food details shine. With the space ready, start entering your menu content, categories, item names, descriptions, and prices. Categories might include appetizers, mains, desserts, or beverages. Keep item names clear and descriptions short but vivid, highlighting ingredients or key flavors. Use consistent formatting for prices, either with or without currency symbols, and line them up so they're easy to scan. If an item is vegetarian, spicy, or gluten-free, you can mention that briefly in the description to help guests decide quickly. Organize the layout for readability. Use headings for each category, keep spacing generous, and consider columns if you have many items. Avoid long paragraphs, 1 or 2 lines per item usually look best. Check font size and contrast so the text is comfortable to read on both desktop and mobile, and keep alignment consistent throughout. If you want to highlight certain dishes, add images, choose high quality photos with good lighting, and keep the style consistent, either all portrait or all landscape, so the page feels cohesive. Use images sparingly so they enhance, not overwhelm, the text. Descriptive alt text can help accessibility without cluttering the design. When everything looks right, save and publish the menu page. Take a final glance for typos, spacing, and price consistency before you go live. Once published, your visitors can explore your offerings with ease, and you'll have a professional, appetizing menu ready to share.